Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to create TikTok account with Facebook. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to download TikTok application from the Play Store. As I have already installed it, I will just tap in open the TikTok application. At the home page of TikTok, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom of right corner. Here you tap on sign up. As you can see, you can create your TikTok account with your email, with your phone number, Facebook, Google and also with your Twitter account in just few steps. As we are going to create our TikTok with Facebook, we will tap on continue with Facebook. As you can see, I have been directed to the login page of Facebook. Now you need to provide your Facebook details, that is your registered phone number or email address of Facebook and password. So go for it. After you are done, you tap on login. Once you provide your Facebook details, TikTok will be associated with all your videos, your photos, your posts, also your friend list. Now you tap on continue. Here you need to provide your date of birth. Tap on next. Here you also can create your one username. For now, I'm going with this one and tap on sign up. As you can see, my TikTok account has been created with my Facebook. That means my TikTok account has been created with my Facebook account or Facebook details. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to create your TikTok account with Facebook. Thank you.